Alright, so here we are. Let's try to learn the difference between a scalar and a vector. What's a scalar? Okay, a scalar, or rather a scalar quantity, okay, only has magnitude. Alright, whereas a vector quantity has both direction and magnitude. Alright, so some examples of scalar include distance. Okay, distance is a scalar. Okay, when you talk about distance, he traveled 300 meters. Okay, he traveled 400 meters. You don't say that he traveled negative 400 meters. Okay, mass is also a scalar. Alright, length is also a scalar. Alright, speed is also a scalar. Alright, so these are all examples of scalar. They do not take into account direction. Okay, the difference between vectors and scalars are that vectors have got both direction and magnitude, while scalars have only got magnitude. Okay, so what are some examples of vectors? Okay, velocity is a vector. Okay, velocity, there's such a thing as negative velocity. Okay, acceleration is also a vector. Alright, weight is also a vector. Weight is a kind of force exerted towards the center of Earth by virtue of the gravitational pull. Okay, so these are just some examples of vectors. So vectors take into account both magnitude and direction. Alright.